the technology used filter on Sales Navigator was so bad that they decided to delete it. But anyway, it was giving really bad results, really unqualified accounts. And in this video, I will show you another way to target companies using a precise technology on LinkedIn Sales Navigator by combining Wappalyzer, this tool here, with Sales Navigator Advanced. So not the core version at $99, but the advanced one at $149. So if you want to target companies based on technology, invest this $50 because what I'm going to show you now is going to change your life. We are going to follow a 3-step process here. So first step, make an account list on Wappalyzer. Second step, upload your list on Sales Navigator Advanced. And first step, find decision makers inside these companies. So first step, you go to Wappalyzer, go to product, lead lists, and here you got several search filters to look for specific technologies. So let's say we want to target companies using CRMs. So I can write popular CRM's name here, HubSpot, Pipedrive, Salesforce, and I want the accounts to use any of the selected technologies. You can also target people that use a set of technologies. So make a list and say that you want the website to use all of the technologies in your list. Keywords. So here you can target website containing certain keywords. So let's say we want to go for consulting firms. Then domain, you can target specific domain. Here you can filters on if you want you want to include the contact details, if it's required, if you want to exclude them, and compliance, some filters on GDPR for European customers. Then you can pick countries. So let's say Europe. Here, language, don't need that. Let's say we want software development, consulting companies, medium size. And then you can limit the traffic website, freshness, don't need that. And you can exclude a list of domains. So if you already have a list of clients, of companies, you can upload that list here and Wappalyzer will exclude that from the search results. Then you can go here and click on create list. Then you will have to wait a bit to let Wappalyzer do the work. Quick note here, I had to change the targeting because there were no results. So finally, we'll only target companies using HubSpot. So now my list is ready. Let's take a look at the data. So we have the URL of the website, traffic rank, some email addresses, generic email addresses or emails from decision makers. We have some social media URLs, but the most important data that we need here is the LinkedIn URL, because that will help us to make the bridge between Wappalyzer and Sales Navigator. So actually, we are not so much interested about the rest, just here the LinkedIn URLs of the companies, meaning the LinkedIn URLs of the company page. So now what you should do is download this file and upload it into Sales Navigator Advanced. Here I've put a sample of my data on Google Sheets. Let's download that again and go to Sales Navigator. So now you can go to Accounts, Upload Accounts, click on Continue, and then drag and drop your file here. And now what you will have to do is match the columns. In our case, it's really simple because we have the LinkedIn pages. So it's really easy for LinkedIn to find the companies. LinkedIn can still try to find the companies with the name or the country, etc. But actually, you don't want to trust LinkedIn on that because it will find random companies. So the only reliable way to use this upload feature is to have the LinkedIn URL. So let's map that here, and you just need to find here the LinkedIn, and you can also add the other data. Here you have a minimum of data. If you only give the LinkedIn URL, it doesn't work. So let's add the name as well. Company name here. Okay, so now we can click on the button, and here you need to wait a bit so that Sales Navigator finds the companies and make the list. It's pretty fast. Here you can see it's already completed. Okay, upload finished, and boom, here, magic, you get the accounts that you had on Wappalyzer targeting a specific technology. Now you have them on Sales Navigator. So that's great. What you can do now, you can export here these accounts using a Chrome extension like Evaboot. I will leave the link in the description. You can export these accounts in a CSV like this and get all the account information clean in a CSV file. But the most interesting thing you can do now with Sales Navigator is go find decision makers in these companies to know exactly who you are going to contact and get the professional emails. For that, you go to the lead search here by clicking on lead filters. You go to account lists and you select your list here. And on the right, you will see all the people working at these companies. But obviously you don't want to talk to everybody. You want to talk to specific decision makers, right? So let's say you want to talk to the founder, CEO, or co-founder. You can write here anything that describes your persona. You can use the other filters as well. But boom, here you got a list of decision makers that you can contact, that are decision makers in the companies using the specific technology that you want. So that's great. If you have the Evaboot Chrome extension installed, then you can export these leads into a CSV file and get their professional verified emails. So here, export and enrichment is completed. So we found 44 emails here for this list. Let's download it and upload that into Google Sheet. To see which data you get here. So here you can see a lot of data: first name, last name, current job, email, email status, LinkedIn URL. You can know if the profile is open profile. If it's open profile, it means that you can send a free email to this person. I will leave a link to a tutorial to show you how to take advantage of that for your prospecting. Company name, company website, range of employee, the exact number of employees, company industry, company description, and a lot of data that you can use for your prospecting. And here you get this column match filters. And here Evaboot will double check if the leads that you have in your search really match your search criteria. So if you go back here, I was looking for founders, CEO, co-founder. So here, and you will see that often on Sales Navigator, you see that all these people that mark no don't have this job title. Managing director, director of engineering, VP, senior web analytics specialist. So this is really far from what we are looking for. And here you can see that on the leads that have been validated by Evaboot, you have the keywords: co-founder, founder, CEO here, chief executive officer. So we automatically take the translation. Obviously, if you write CEO and we see chief executive officer, we mark that as valid. So here, basically, you save time by not manually cleaning the sheet yourself and losing time connecting and sending emails to people that are not in your target. Second thing that we do is that we clean the names and the company names. So here you can see no emojis, no capital letters here. The only annoying thing is that some people, they don't share the family names. So sometimes you can see that on your file. But except that, you get really clean data for your prospecting. So you make an account list on Wappalyzer, you upload the list on Sales Navigator Advanced. I hope that now you see that you should spend these $50 additional to be able to do that. And then you find decision makers inside this company and you export with Evaboot to get all the data clean, filtered, and the professional emails of your prospects. If you want to know more about how to leverage LinkedIn Sales Navigator and Evaboot to build clean prospect lists, you can watch the video that will appear just right here. I wish you a good day and I see you in the next one. Ciao.